Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature with another Real Estate Educational Friday. Today, we are going to look at how the COVID-19 outbreak has affected mortgage rates. I am sure that you've been hearing that the Bank of Canada has been lowering its interest rates. But for you as a consumer, what does that really mean? Unfortunately, not much. If you currently already have a variable mortgage or a line of credit, these interest rate cuts will benefit you. However, if you are looking to get a new mortgage, either variable or fixed, unfortunately both rates have increased recently. Why exactly is this happening? Canadian banks are facing enormous amount of pressure amid the disruptions caused by the outbreak. The cost of funds for banks is skyrocketing while their earnings are plunging. Businesses that the banks have loaned money to are facing massive decreases in revenue, which also translates to decreases in the bank's revenue due to no one wanting to take out new bank loans except to service current debt. The relatively low increases in mortgage rates are helping the banks to increase revenues during this hard time. All that being said, current rates are still lower today than they were just a year ago. And looking at the big picture, the rates that we're seeing today are still one of the lowest that we've seen in the past 30 years. Only a decade ago that the rates were almost double the rate that we are seeing today. Current rates for closed mortgage are ranging between 2.99% to 3.04%. Where compared to February, they were trading between 2.49% to 2.59%. Still relatively low in the grand scheme of things, but you notice they are a little bit higher than they were just a month ago. So that all being said, if you currently have a good mortgage rate or a good variable rate, I highly suggest you just stick with it and don't change it unless you have to. And for those new buyers, in the grand scheme of things, the rates are still relatively low. And it looks like that they are going to stay pretty close to the current rates that they are today for the next foreseeable future. So that really should deter you once we get over this COVID whole scare for you to go out and purchase and still know that you have a really good mortgage rate. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this message. Stay safe, stay well, wash your hands, stay in as much as you possibly can, and we'll all see each other soon. Bye for now.